Home Remedies presents How to Treat Fatty Liver Disease. According to a study, green tea paired with exercise may reduce the severity of obesity-related fatty liver disease by 75%. Turmeric supports the detox processes of our body by increasing the production of enzymes and breaking down the toxins. It improves blood circulation that further promotes good liver health. Finally, turmeric can reduce liver inflammation and protect the liver from free radical damage as well as alcohol-induced liver injury. It is so powerful that it has even shown the capacity to reverse liver scarring. Here's the recipe of turmeric green tea for liver health. Ingredients: green tea 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 cup water. Method: boil the water, switch off the flame and add green tea leaf and turmeric powder and close the lid. Let it infuse for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain in a cup and drink. Include this detox drink in your morning ritual for overall fitness, but always remember, moderation is the key. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.